Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's another beautiful day here in Alabama and we're working on the EF again. So today we're going to be working on doing the 5-speed swap. This car is automatic. It's an EX model, so it has a D16 A6, and we're going to be doing a manual conversion on it. So I've got it on my lift already set, and I'm going to start. I guess I'm going to work first on getting the transmission out, get the transmission swapped over, and then after I get all that stuff situated, work on taking the dash out and stuff to remove the pedals. So I guess this isn't really going to be detailed about how to pull it out. I'm just going to kind of put on a time lapse maybe and just video while I work. Yo, did you know that MAXPEEDINGRODS makes a K-series conversion harness for EG and DC? Who'd have thought? Well, I'm here to tell you that they do. And I have one. Right here. We're going to put this one on the Green Dragon. Yep. The Green Dragon is getting a MAXPEEDINGRODS K-series conversion harness. So let's check it out. So, in the package, you'll get a customer service card. Right? And it's pretty sweet. Check it out. It's got all fabric tape on it. Fabric tape's got the relay for your air fuel ratio gauge. Comes with a little extra pigtail for the knock sensor. And let's see. Got the OBD2 port. Yeah. This thing looks nice. Really nice. Heck yeah. So I'm going to be putting, like I said, I'm going to be putting this on the Green Dragon. My all-wheel drive EG. That one has a K-tune harness in it currently. But I had cut some pins out or some wires out of it and whatnot, trying to reduce clutter on it whenever I was putting the AM Infinity in there. And I cut a few wires out of it. Probably shouldn't have, so I've had to add some wires back to it. And just for simplicity reasons, I'm going to put this harness back in it. And I've bought this Tessa fabric tape off of Amazon that I'm going to do my engine harness with. So it should match pretty well. Heck yeah. Awesome. I mean, this thing is a fraction of the cost of the K-tune one that I cut up. If you want to pick up one of those, check out the sponsor, MAXPEEDINGRODS. I'll put the link in the description, and you can pick up one today. Use my discount code YEET1, and you'll get 15% off of this conversion harness or anything else that MAXPEEDINGRODS has on their website. Also, it's free shipping inside the U.S. So if as long as it's in one of their U.S. warehouses, free shipping anywhere in the U.S. But yeah, MAXPEEDINGRODS, they're an aftermarket supplier of parts such as this conversion harness, some test pipes. They have intake manifolds, throttle bodies. They have some Kelly converters for certain applications. Haven't used one of those yet, but I know they have a traction bar, turbos, lots of stuff. And I plan to use a lot of it on my upcoming build. Unfortunately, they don't have an EK conversion harness yet, so I can't use their conversion harness unless they come out with one before then. So Macy, if you're watching this, make me an EK conversion harness for a K-series, and I'll sure as heck use it. Betcha. But yeah, like I said, if you're interested in getting one of these K-series conversion harnesses, you can check out the link in the description for MAXPEEDINGRODS, and then also if you're interested in the Tessa tape like this that I'm going to use on my engine harness, I'll also put that link in the description if you want to pick up some of that. So now we're going to get back to doing some more shenanigans. And that's pretty much how the EF sits after the coilovers. Got to raise it up a little bit because it's scrubbing just a smidge right here on this front fender liner. And on the back here. See, it's like it's rubbing right here. With the condition of this car, we don't want to mess up. We don't want to roll the fenders or nothing. And you don't want to camber it in. So we're gonna just raise it up just a smidge to be too bad. It's just the way the car's sitting right now, but it was hitting right here on the little rubber piece too. So I'm just gonna lift it up just a smidge, but that's pretty much how she was sitting.
Life's a competition, so if I'm going to play, then I'm gonna play to win it. I refuse to sit and rot at a desk all day unless I have a passion I'm working towards, okay? I'd rather be dead on the outside than inside. A bullet to the head than 25 to life in a cubicle alone, just trying to get by, building someone else's dream instead of building mine. If you're hearing me, this is meant to inspire. If you have a dream or if you have desires, a girl in your life that's making you feel that fire, go fight for her, man, go die for her, man, cause you only have one life, one chance to do it, one chance to prove it to yourself, so don't lose it. You got this, fam, just keep pushing on through it. One day you'll look back so glad you pursued it. Yeah, things are gonna get better real soon. Yeah, I'ma just do me, you just do you. I swear it's gonna get better real soon. Don't let anyone tell you what you should do. I got a clear view, we're gonna make it soon. Just keep pushing through. You're what you got to lose. You're what you got to lose. You're what you got to lose. Just keep pushing through. Cause what you got to lose, 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 got to lose. I won't give up, I won't back down till the line 6 feet underneath the deep ground.
So I got the transmission out. You can see the rear main has been leaking. I do have a new rear main, new OEM rear main. Bada bing, bada boom. Look at that, the Honda resource. I got a wholesale account at my local Honda dealer. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and swap this rear main. And I'll go ahead and swap this bracket while we're here. And I think we've got to need the rear mount. So I'll go ahead and swap that on too. And then get our flywheel mounted. And the clutch and all that stuff. And then I'm going to take these old trans cooler lines off. Just leave it open. Because that's how it would be if it didn't have a automatic. So get all that pull apart. What up, Cup?
What up, Cup?
Why you always got that shirt on? You like that shirt?
I got a lot of them.
You always wearing a standard shirt. You mean standard like basic?
Basic, very basic.
Okay.
I'm white. Well, I can't say that, but I'm white. Basic, yeah.
Yesterday we bought us a mail route vehicle. We're gonna clean this one up, get it detailed, fix all the little small stuff with it, and post it back up as a mail route vehicle. Alright, so unfortunately I had a slight delay because the clutch kit the customer bought was actually for an Integra and it didn't fit this. I tried to put it on the transmission earlier today just to see, make sure the splines made it up, and it just spun freely on the transmission. So I had to get a clutch from AutoZone, and I had to wait for it to be delivered to my local AutoZone. So I finally got that, and now I just got the clutch installed onto our flywheel. I got the new throwout bearing put on the trans, got the new mount put here on the front of the trans. Also put the new mount up here for the manual. These are different, so I've got the new mount up there. And now I'm gonna try to stab this transmission up here and hopefully at least get it up here mounted on the car tonight.
I said maybe you're gonna be the one that saves me. You're gonna be the one that saves me.
as you can see, I got the transmission bolted in to the EF. All right, and so it's just bolted in there right now, and this is taking a little longer than I had hoped. I was hoping today to at least get the transmission installed and then get the front wheel assemblies and all that stuff put back together, but not having the correct clutch kind of run me behind, as I didn't get the actual clutch that I was supposed to have until after 8 p.m. So, you know, I just kind of went ahead and stabbed the transmission on there just to give me a kind of a jump start on it tomorrow, and hopefully tomorrow I will be able to get the rest of the front of this together and then get it rolled out of the shop to start removing the dash so that I can install the pedals and all that kind of stuff. And then I'll have to roll it back into the shop and install the shift linkage and all that good kind of stuff. So, but thanks for watching the video. I hope you stick around and watch some more on the EF series. As always, I appreciate all the likes, the comments, the subscribes, and all the support. Hopefully you'll have the Green Dragon shirts here pretty soon, and those will be back on the website for purchase. I didn't order a lot of them, so you know, whenever I first post them up, I'll let everyone know, and then you know, you might as well go ahead and scoop up one quick. I know they are a little more than your average t-shirt, but there was a lot that went into making these shirts a reality, and I'm not making any money, so it's just I want some cool shirts, and hey, that's what it's costing me. So anyways, guys, I appreciate everyone checking out the video, and I hope to see you soon. Peace.